Good morning, everyone. Muriel here with a project share. So a couple of weeks ago, Bona over at Livelovescrap created a scalloped heart advent calendar. Absolutely adorable, polka dot, and she used the We Are Memory Keepers mini envelope punch board to place these little tiny envelopes all over the heart and turn it into a 14-day Advent Valentine's calendar. Absolutely adorable. Well, it inspired me to do something similar. I've had this wooden heart in my craft room for some time now, and while I don't have the mini envelope punch board, I did have a Valentine's heart punch that I used to cut out these adorable hearts and place over all on top of this heart, this wooden heart. So really cute. It's going to hang in my craft room, but let me show you what I started with. Again, this was just a wooden heart, and I've had another opportunity to use this paper. This is crepe paper, Heart Day paper that I picked up at Tuesday morning in a pack of like 25, the same pattern. So I was able to use this one. I covered the front with this side, and the other side is using the hearts. You can see it back there. And then I trimmed it with some of this trim that I found over at Target, Bullseye Spot. It's some felt hearts, really, really cute. And I remember digging, trying to find some more, but I wasn't able to, so I'm glad I got this. And then the hearts I cut out using this paper pad that has been an all-time favorite this month, the Love Notes by Crepe Paper. So I used this collection to cover the heart boxes I recently made. And with the scraps, I was able to punch out several hearts, and I thought I had one here to show you. Here we go. So I cut out several hearts, actually 2 of each pattern, and I took it downstairs and I put it on my sewing machine, and I sewed the hearts down the center, as you can see here. And that way the top kind of raises up and it gives it some dimension. You can see here. Okay, and one word suggestion: if you're going to use your sewing machine to do this, just don't be afraid. Just put these 2 hearts together, put it under that zipper foot, and press go. Because I was kind of being really shy about it and kind of making sure it went straight down the middle. The zipper foot, not the zipper foot, but the foot will catch the paper, and if you just gun it, then it'll just give you a straight line. So, little hint there. So then I just placed them throughout the heart, and I put some love sequins that I had in my stash in different areas, and it just created this adorable wall hanging. This hanger I created some months ago. I watched a tutorial over on Amador's channel, and I was going to make one maybe with some black wire or some silver wire, but I still have 2, and these are not difficult to make, but they're pretty challenging. So this one happened to have some red thread and a black and blue kind of greenish heart and flower, and I just added a red heart to the center. So this will be something that I will hang in my craft room well, actually I'm just going to put it up, and it's just going to stay up there. So really, really fun to make. Bona, thank you for the inspiration. I have ordered the mini envelope punch board, but they are out of stock. So once they're back in stock, they will email me, because that is definitely one that I want to add to my repertoire. So I will link Bona's channel down below. You guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And until my next video, you guys take care. Bye now.